Carrots were first grown in Afghanistan, and they are mentioned in the ancient literature in the 1st century AD, so they've been around a long time. And they grow wild in North Carolina. If you don't believe it, in the springtime, go alongside the road and you'll see Queen Anne's lace. Those white frilly flowers, those are wild carrots. And if you pull one up, scratch the root, it'll smell like a carrot. So we've got them. And you can have them in your garden. I want to show you how to grow them today. Now, carrots are a cool season crop, and they're very aromatic. They used to be grown for the seeds and the leaves. And if you look at that, it looks like parsley. It's because it's first cousin to parsley, and it's first cousin to dill and fennel. So very aromatic, and carrot seeds are pretty good too. You use them to cook with. But we want to grow it for the root. And it's a cool season crop. You can grow it in the spring, but they're hard to do in the spring because you want to germinate carrot seed when it's about 40 to 50 to 60 degrees, but you want to grow them when it's cool. In the spring, you germinate them fine, but then it gets hot and they don't do well. So I plant them in late summer. And here we are in late October in my garden, and it takes 90 days to grow these things. So you count back from, say, Halloween, 90 days, and that puts you the 1st of August. You got to get them to come up. So remember I told you they like cool weather to come up? So your trick is to have nice, friable soil like this, August 1st. Plant your seed, which they're very small seed. You put them right on top, tamp them in and water them. And then, because it's usually hot as the daylights in early August, you've got to cover them. And I put row covers over the row and water them every day, and they come up. And then, here comes September, October, and the weather's getting progressively better, and guess what? You get nice carrots. Now, when they first come up, I plant them really thick, and you're going to have a lot of weed competition. So I weed them in August one time and September one time, and then the plants get nice and big like this, and they shade out all the weeds and no more trouble. And the weather is getting progressively better. Now, you also might wonder, what kind of carrots can you grow? Well, I'm here to tell you, you can grow some very nice, interesting carrots in colors. Now, if you think about carrots at the grocery store, this is what you're used to seeing. You're used to seeing an orange carrot, but these are not the original carrots. The original carrots are these guys, these red ones. They are actually orange on the inside. But the orange ones were bred by the Dutch about 150 years ago, and we accept them as standard carrots. But look at the colors they come in. Here's kind of a tan, here's a light yellow, here's an intense yellow, and then you get these red and purple ones too. And they all taste the same, but they're really good. So order seed. You can't get these in a seed store in North Carolina. Order your seed, plant them in August, water them. You got to wait until they get about the size of this one. They don't have much flavor. So wait, and about 90 days from seeding, they'll be ready to pick. And the good news is you can pick them, like this is the end of October, but you can also leave them in the ground, and you can get in-ground free storage. I put a row cover over this row. When we get a hard freeze, a frost is fine, and they will keep until March. So hard to beat. Now, when you take these in the house and you eat them, we cook them, we broil them. They're very sweet, and you're going to find they are better than any carrot you ever had. You'll never want to buy another carrot from the grocery store because you can grow beautiful, tasty carrots in your garden in North Carolina.